Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update your Ps5, ensure both of you meet PlayStation Plus requirements, and invite your friend into a party. Once they accept, open the control center with the PS button and select the party card. From there, choose Start Shareplay and pick the friend in the party. This initiates a secure streaming session. Do this now so the system allocates bandwidth and permissions before you hand over or share controller access. You now configure the Shareplay session and permissions. Choose whether your friend will watch, play as a guest using a virtual controller, or play together with a past controller. Each option changes latency and control. Make sure to set the session duration. Shareplay commonly uses 1-hour slots, and pick video quality for stability versus clarity. Once configured, confirm controller passes and privacy settings. These choices determine how input is routed and how responsive the game feels for your friend. To finish, end Shareplay from the control center or let the session expire. Make sure you save progress locally before handing back control. If you need another session, invite them again. Sessions often require reauthorization after timeouts. A key troubleshooting tip: if you or your friend experience lag, switch to wired Ethernet, close background downloads, and lower Shareplay resolution to stabilize input. These steps reduce packet loss and improve responsiveness, so gameplay stays smooth when you try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.